All right, so I want to match something, but I'm not seeing nothing on our profile of what we have. Maybe some shoes. We haven't done shoes yet. So since the nails are just pretty much black and red, what will look? I think a very like strong royal blue will look good. I know we just passed a blue shoe, but it needs to be like a royal blue, like a very vivid royal blue. And I don't really see anything. I don't recall anything being in here. I think just like a soft, I mean, this looks good, but it's not screaming. Like it's not screaming. This is blue, but it's not like pop. I needed to pop. So I think I'm gonna opt for Sunny's sunglasses. The great thing about Pinterest, this is not an ad, it's not a promotion. But Pinterest, you are able to just type in things that you want to work, that you want to search, and you can kind of just see it. I think I want to just look for sunglasses that are royal blue. Those are for my girlies who really like to pop. So just put in blue because I don't think people are that descriptive. But let's just go through what will work when it comes to the blue with the nails. What am I seeing? I'm just kind of just skimming through very quickly. Those are cute, but it's all right. Those are cute, but I don't know. Maybe we should go those are cute. Maybe we should try out some red just to keep it red on red. I feel like a good like cat eye would be suitable for the net. Oh, we think we found something. Now, we stumbled across these live in effects. I told you guys we were kicking it and we were going to find something to match the nails, and I'm really feeling these. These are very snazzy and they would just go perfectly well with the nails, okay? Or if you don't want to be so matchy, we can opt for these little blue little numbers with the nails. Now you let me know which one you would do, or if you would like both of them, because we pulling this together. So I'm feeling it. Yeah, the design is a 5. I just matched the sunglasses by finding it off of Pinterest or whatever, kind of keeping things really cute and mute and just trimming stuff down so you guys can kind of get a glimpse of how things go. So let's go on to the next.